Good morning students. Today I will explain you the first civilization in India. Lesson number 4, History. Now, the Indus Valley civilization or the first civilization in India was characterized by well-planned cities or towns, use of language in written and spoken form, and well-developed art and craft. The Indus Valley civilization was the contemporary of three other Bronze Age civilizations, namely Mesopotamian or Sumerian, Egyptian, Chinese. These civilizations are called the Bronze Age civilization because the technology of making bronze items played an important role in the growth of cities during this age. Now, once a civilization developed in the northwest part of the Indian subcontinent about 4,700 years ago. It is known as the Indus Valley civilization as it developed on the banks of the river Indus. The Indus Valley civilization is also known as the Harappan civilization because it was discovered first in 1921 at Harappa, a town in a Montgomery district of Pakistan. And excavation were carried out at the site during the time. In 1922, similar excavation began at Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, Pakistan. So here we find that two cities, that is Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. So both the cities are civilized and well planned, that we will see now. Now here in the Harappan sites we have seen many other cities, that is Chanhodaro, Kalipagan, Banwali, Sotkako, Surkota, Balkot, Dolberia, Ragiri and Ganverewala. So now we will see the town planning. The Harappan cities are distinguished their town planning. To the west of each was citadel fortified by crenvaulted wall. The remarkable thing about the arrangement of the house in the lower town is that they followed the Greek system. Now first of all I want to say you this Harappan civilization towns were divided into lower town and upper town. Then the drainage system of the cities of the Indus Valley civilization was very impressive. Water flowed from the houses to the streets which had drains. Sometimes these drains were covered with bricks and sometimes with stone slabs. One of the largest buildings so far discovered is the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. It appears to be one of the most important public places. It comprised a tank made of beautiful brick walk at the north and south ends of the Great Bath. Now agriculture was the main economic activities of the people. Many of the Harappan sites fell in the low rainfall areas and it is likely that irrigation was necessary for cultivation. Now, the people of the Indus Valley civilization practiced animal husbandry. They domesticated animals such as oxen, buffaloes, goats, sheep and pigs, cats, dogs were regarded as pet. Now we have seen that evidence of practice several art and craft form of the people of Indus Valley civilization, and the people of the Indus Valley civilization demonstrated great skill in the making bronze figure also. So here we have seen that people used many ornaments, beads making, seals, terracotta, other crafts, raw materials. Many indicated the emergence of specialists who are trained to do one kind of works. And the social life, there is class differences. Structural remaining of the houses indicate that class differences were present in the Harappan cities. A well-organized commerce was the characteristic feature of the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization, they pray the nature as a god, and people also worship the earth as a fertility gods. And the people belong to the civilization also developed a pictographic script. The script has not been deciphered till date. Once we are able to understand the script, more information about the civilization will be available. Thank you.